I think I will stop here. You go and think about this. Go and think about this. I'm a child of God. I'm not a father of God, but we behave like a father. I'm a child of God. I'm a child of God. I'm not uncle of God. You behave like uncle. You know, uncle, you can do many things. You can sit on your own. You can eat. I mean, you can dress. The only time you need God is when there is difficulty, when there is so much challenges. That is when we run to Him. When things are going smoothly, you don't need Him. Is that the way a child behaves? Good child. What is faith? We are still talking of faith. The word faith brought about this. What is faith? Faith is a heart that believes God. Faith is a heart that believes God. Through ordinary circumstances. Through ordinary circumstances. Through ordinary circumstances. What is ordinary circumstances? That is what I'm talking about. I need God to sit down. I need God to stand up. I need God to take my bath. I need God to dress up. I need God to wear my spectacle. If He can carry God along in those ordinary issues, tell me, big issue, you will sleep on His wall, bottom. If you can carry Him along in ordinary, sit down, taking your bath, combing your hair, wear your spectacle, want to greet, you say Jesus before you greet. Big issue, you sit on His wall, bottom. That is why today it's so much difficult for me for you to see me out there, because Jesus. If I'm now in the midst of party where they do party or ceremony, a crowd of people, will I continue having time to visit with my God like that? It's not easy. Or I'm invited to a place where there's different religions, different occasions, different beliefs, different faiths, people, crowds, and are sitting down to eat. And how will I be in communion? Oh, true. How will I be in communion? How will I be in communion? It's my spiritual life, not my biological life, which my biological life cannot interfere into it. It's a secret life unto me, and my biological life cannot be forced to that. I grew up with this. I grew up. That is my upbringing, and I will continue. I want God to minister to me when it is time to go. I can say, TV Joshua, next week you are going. I can even tell God, okay, still give me some day. so day. I want that kind of relationship. And it's good for you too. When it is time maybe to pass on to glory, God can say to you, hey, next week, it is time to leave this world. You can also say, God, still give me 1 year more. I want to do this, I want to do that. Okay, I give you. Take care. That is a wonderful life. That is a wonderful life. Not the disastrous life people live today. Unaccomplished life. Sadness life. Cheated life. Read your Bible. That people live that life. So you can put your home in order. And it's possible for you to call your people too, to tell them, look, the time is off, so please do this, okay? What are you saying, Daddy? No, do this, and everything will tie up. That is life we must live. Not unfortunate life we live today. You don't know when, how. You don't even know when you go out, you don't know when you will come back. You don't know when you will come back. You don't know when you will be in. It's a sorrowful life. It is very painful. So this is why I'm telling you, the best life is what I'm telling you today. You are a child of God. Why can't you behave like a child to Him? Like a child of God. Behave like a child. You know how children behave to their father? Good children. That is the life you should begin to live now. You are not a mother to God. You are not uncle to God. You are not a doctor to God. You are not a pastor to God. You are not this to God. You are a child. If you want to introduce yourself, I say, I'm a child of God. This is what you normally say. You never say you are an uncle to God. Why do you behave like uncle to God? As if you certain thing you can do yourself. It's a wonderful life. It's not too late. It's not too late. Well, vanity upon vanity, all this you are seeing all over. It's vanity. You have seen enough. You have seen the young die, you have seen the old die, you have seen even the children die. And you have seen those who different things happen in your presence. What else again? You are a child of God. Behave like a child. Total dependent on God for everything. You must know how much you need Him. You need Him to sit, you need Him to eat, you need Him to drink, you need Him to sleep, you need Him to wake up, you need Him to greet, you need Him to even ordinary spectacle you can do yourself. Say, I cannot do it. I cannot wear it myself. Wear it for me, God. I'm a child. Let someone say, I'm a child. Wear my spectacle for me. You need the strength. This strength you think is yours, it's not yours. You are a fake. You are a fake. You think you have strength, you can wear spectacle yourself. It's God's strength, but you fail to recognize it. When attack comes and the hand is paralyzed, you will recognize God. That I never knew it's your strength, yo. All this wise, I thought it's my strength. Because anytime you want to wear your spectacle, you just pick it. Fail to know that it's God's strength, but you will know when attack comes. When Satan attacks and the hand is paralyzed, You now begin to ask God for deliverance, for healing. Help me, God. Let me move. You recognize it. Please, don't wait for that. Say, it's your strength, Lord, to see it. It's your strength to see it. It's your strength to stand. It's your strength to grieve. It's your strength. It's your strength to look. Your strength to sleep. Your strength to love. Your strength to do all. Start your Christian life from there. This Bible you read from Genesis, because it seems you don't understand Bible anymore. You have read Bible. There are many preachers here. Preacher sitting down here. If I give them mic to preach, nobody will listen to me. They are on the seat. My brother, let us close our Bible. Let's listen to the revelation. It is only revelation that can solve our problem. What can solve our problem? I can hear you. Look, this Bible, before it becomes revelation to you, it must be meditate. You must first meditate it. By meditation now, revelation come out of it. For now, it's Bible. And for this Bible to become revelation, you must meditate it. By meditation, and turn it over and over and over and over in your heart, it becomes revelation. I take it again, because some of us, when we carry Bible, we carry as if it will defend you. When problem comes, it's gone. If they shoot you, you will be shooted, killed forever. Some of you will open the Bible and put it under the pillow. You think you will defend you. It's Bible. That Bible, before it can become a revelation, you must meditate it, turn it in your heart, over and over and over and over, before it becomes what? Revelation. Revelation turn to, meditation turn to revelation. So when you now carry and believe, you are carrying God's weapon when you are going. Some people, you just put it in their pocket. Some people, when you see them, they are dead body. By the time they turn them over, they will saw a big Bible in their pocket. If it is revelation already, why should we open Psalm 35 under our pillow, and that night these people will now come and even wake you up and say, carry down your Bible? They will wake you up and say, wake up. In the night, they say that Bible close it. You bring it. They can now collect the Bible and start using it to flog you. And now say, by the time you wake up, say, this Bible is not working. Which kind of Bible is this? Which kind of Bible is this? Psalm 35. Why this Bible is not working for me? It cannot working for you until it turns over in your heart, over and over and over and over, before it becomes revelation. Amen. Now, meditation on what you read. Turn it over in your heart, over and over, over and over. Turn it over. Turn it over. Turn it over your heart. To turn something in your heart, you know, when something is going on in your heart, it's going through what? Destiny. To separate the bad from evil. Separate this. Go over and over your heart. That become revelation. So when the process of going through, turning over in your heart, it's no longer in your mouth. Then it can affect you, become character, behaviors. I'm sorry, I need to clear this because I wanted to take it clear and take it home clear. This is Bible. You know, let's give you a good example. This Bible, anybody can buy it. And when you get to the market, they will never ask you, are you a Christian, before giving you a copy. All they need is money. That is to tell you, you make it work. If you are a bad person, your Bible also bad. If you are good, your Bible good. That is why everybody have access to it. Now, to now make it a revelation, it must go through meditation in your heart. It must go through what? Meditation. And meditation can only occur in our hearts. Remember, meditation and thinking, there is different. It's upper level. Meditation is in upper level, while thinking is lower level. Upper class, lower class. When you are worried, you are thinking. You never worry and meditate. Until you are free of worry, you can meditate. So I want to leave you and let me bless your heart, the heart that received this message today. But one thing I want you to take home once again, you are a child of God. Tell your neighbor, I'm a child of God. Can you just stand up and say to God, I'm sorry. I'm your child. I have been behaving like your mother. Like your father. So stupid to use. God, I'm sorry. I'm a child. Total dependent. I need you to sit. I need you to eat. I need you to, even to cry. You want to cry, you call God to cry. Total dependent. See, as you are standing now, you want to make a move, just a leg. Before you move a leg forward, I want you to start it. You call God first, Jesus. Oh yeah, do it. Yes. Take it back again, Jesus. Move to now, Jesus. Take it back. So sit down. Jesus. That is a God for you. That is you. That is your position to God. That is your position. Now, when I say stand up, you stand up. At first, you forgot what I was talking about. Because you are used to what that old life. You are a baba, you are a momo. You have some power. I say you have some power and you have been helping God. To me, you are helping God before. Fake power. Not until enemy come and attack, In some cases, when you could not move, you will start saying, God, help me. Give me strength. Help me. I want to stand up. And you have been standing without him, without calling him. You have been talking without calling him. Now you are saying, I want to talk. Help me. Let him stand up. God, help me. Because you are attacked. Why should you recognize him? Why should you recognize his strength when you are attacked? Why can't you recognize his strength when you are not? Now you are attacked and you are paralyzed. In some cases, you could not even walk. You could not talk, and you are lying helplessly on the bed. You will not be able to talk, but your heart will be talking to